In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to add collection list page to the main navigation menu. First, open your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, you'll be working inside your online storefront. So head to Online Store. This is where your themes live and where you'll manage how your pages look and behave. If you have more than one theme, make sure you're on the theme you actually want customers to see. Next, open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, this button may read Edit Theme or Customize, and it opens the visual editor where you can adjust sections and templates. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a live preview on the right and a sidebar on the left that lists the sections for the current page. In the sidebar, locate the area that highlights your collections. Some themes label it clearly as Collection List. If you see a section with a prominent heading, like a featured area that showcases groups of products, click that. The goal here is to work with the Collection List section, which is what powers your collection list page and the grid of collections your shoppers will browse. Now, select the Collection List section so you can edit its content. Inside it, you'll see individual blocks or cards. One common default block label you might see is something like Browse Our Latest Products. Click that block to open its settings. This is where you decide exactly which collections appear to your customers. Look for the Collections setting. Click it to open your collection picker. You can choose the specific collections you want to feature, like new arrivals, best sellers, or any custom groups you've already created in Products, Collections. As a tip, choose a small, focused set so the page stays clean and easy to navigate. Think about order and variety, and make sure each collection has a representative image for a polished look. After you've selected the collections, review the preview on the right. Check spacing, titles, and image cropping. If something looks off, adjust the block settings or reorder the collections until the layout feels balanced. Small visual tweaks here can make a big difference to shopper engagement. When you're happy with how the collection list looks, click Save. This publishes your changes to the theme, ensuring your collection list page is ready for your customers. That's it. You've set up your collection list section and prepared the page that you can link from your main navigation. With your collections selected and saved, your shoppers will have a clear path to explore